All right, guys, we've got the 2021 KTM 450 SXF factory edition over here. So it's been started and heat cycled, but has not been ran yet. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up, let it warm up for a second, let you guys listen to it, and then we're gonna hop on it, click it into gear, run through the gears, make sure it shifts, take it up and down the hill a few times, make sure it's good for the customer. Kind of chilly out here in Appalachia today, guys. I like to use this ride to make sure the brakes work, everything feels right, there's no weird sounds. That Akrapovic exhaust has such a different sound than stock. Feels good so far, guys. Feels nice and tight like a new bike. Like having this light on right here when you're riding too, just kind of like Star Trek-ish. It started as one light with the launch control or the map switch, and now if you have traction control on, you have a white, orange, and a blue light. Change the map, green, orange, and blue light. Also, guys, I know there's some misinformation out there. Map 1 is stock, map 2 is aggressive. So if you don't know that. Alright, guys, now we just have to set the air pressure in the tires, set the fork pressure, and it's good. So I'm sure the customer's going to love this thing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.